Nobody stands in between me and my man. Gives me and Mr. Jones. Me and Mr. Jones. What kind of suffering days you made me, Mr. Slade. How I did love you, but I did. Can't believe you played me all like that. So you're in work, yes, ladies. Last one of those girls you gaze. You can't keep a lying to yourself like this. Can't believe you played yourself like this. Nobody said it's me and my man, guys, it's me and Mr. Jones. Me and Mr. Jones. What kind of fuckery are we? Nowadays don't mean dick to me. I'm smiling to me, to me, baby. Who's playing today? What kind of fuckery are you? Started from city on my best pleasure, but I guess when we ever grow, still wonder what the things you know. Mr. Destiny, not a forty, nobody says between me and my man, 'cause it's me and Mr. Jones.